Understanding, sweeping the floor, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common phrase in English, sweeping the floor. Whether you're at home, in a movie, or reading a book, you've likely come across this term. Let's unravel its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about it. Stay with us to become more confident in using this everyday English expression. Sweeping the floor is a phrase that sounds straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. At its core, it refers to the act of cleaning or clearing a floor by using a broom. A broom is a cleaning tool with stiff fibers attached to, and protruding from, a long handle. Sweeping involves brushing away dirt, dust, and debris from the floor and is considered one of the most basic and traditional cleaning methods. Understanding, sweeping the floor, goes beyond its literal meaning. It's important for several reasons. Cultural relevance. In many cultures, sweeping is not just about cleanliness but also about preparing a space for something new, symbolizing a fresh start or good luck. Practical use. It's a fundamental cleaning activity known to everyone, making it a common reference in language learning about daily routines. Language learning. Recognizing and using phrases like sweeping the floor helps English learners integrate more naturally into English-speaking environments by understanding and participating in everyday conversations. Now that we know what sweeping the floor means, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. I sweep the floor every morning to keep the house clean. Could you help me by sweeping the floor while I do the dishes? After the party, we spent an hour sweeping the floor and tidying up. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different tenses and situations, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Interestingly, the concept of sweeping the floor can vary across cultures, and there are idiomatic expressions related to sweeping in many languages. For example, some cultures have specific traditions about when to sweep or believe in not sweeping at certain times to avoid bad luck. It's a wonderful example of how a simple phrase opens a window into the customs and superstitions of different communities. We hope this video has enlightened you on the meaning, usage, and cultural significance of sweeping the floor. It's a phrase that connects us to the simple acts of daily life, yet carries rich cultural nuances. Keep practicing your English with phrases like these, and you'll find yourself becoming more fluent and confident. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.